In the ever-changing landscape of investment opportunities, real estate stands out as a versatile asset class offering both stability and growth potential. As we navigate the complexities of the year 2024, marked by economic shifts and technological advancements, real estate investment continues to be a compelling avenue for wealth creation and portfolio diversification. In this guide, we delve into the strategies and considerations for investing in real estate in 2024, outlining 5 key principles to help investors navigate this dynamic market with confidence and success. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. 1. Embrace technological advancements. In 2024, technology has permeated every aspect of the real estate industry, from property search and analysis to transaction management and property management. Embracing technological advancements such as artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and big data analytics can provide investors with valuable insights and a competitive edge. Utilize AI-powered algorithms to analyze market trends and identify lucrative investment opportunities. Explore virtual reality platforms to conduct property tours and visualize potential renovations or developments. Leverage big data analytics to track rental trends, forecast market movements, and optimize property performance. By embracing technology, investors can streamline processes, mitigate risks, and capitalize on emerging opportunities in the real estate market. 2. Focus on location and demographics. Location remains a crucial factor in real estate investment, influencing property values, rental demand, and long-term appreciation potential. In 2024, investors should pay close attention to demographic trends and urbanization patterns when selecting investment properties. Focus on areas experiencing population growth, job creation, and infrastructure development, as these factors can drive demand for housing and commercial space. Consider investing in neighborhoods with desirable amenities, access to transportation, and proximity to employment centers, educational institutions, and recreational facilities. By targeting properties in high-growth areas with strong demographic fundamentals, investors can position themselves for sustainable long-term returns. 3. Explore niche markets and property types. In addition to traditional residential and commercial properties, niche markets and specialized property types offer unique investment opportunities in 2024. Explore niche markets such as senior housing, student housing, co-living spaces, and short-term rentals, which cater to specific demographic or lifestyle preferences. Consider investing in alternative property types such as data centers, healthcare facilities, industrial warehouses, and self-storage units, which may offer higher yields and lower volatility compared to traditional asset classes. Diversifying your real estate portfolio across different property types and market segments can help mitigate risk and enhance overall returns, particularly in a dynamic and evolving market environment. 4. Implement sustainable and responsible practices. Environmental, social, and governance (ESG) considerations have gained prominence in the real estate industry, reflecting growing investor demand for sustainable and responsible investment practices. In 2024, investors should prioritize properties and projects that incorporate ESG principles, such as energy efficiency, resource conservation, and community engagement. Explore opportunities in green building development, renewable energy projects, and sustainable urban planning initiatives that align with ESG goals and contribute to positive environmental and social impact. By integrating sustainable practices into real estate investment decisions, investors can enhance property value, mitigate regulatory risks, and meet the evolving demands of tenants and consumers. 5. Adopt a long-term investment horizon. Real estate investment requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective, particularly in a market characterized by cyclical fluctuations and economic uncertainties. In 2024, investors should adopt a strategic approach focused on long-term wealth accumulation and preservation. Resist the temptation to chase short-term gains or time the market, and instead focus on building a diversified portfolio of income-producing properties with strong growth potential.
Implement a buy and hold strategy, allowing time for property values to appreciate and rental income to compound over the years. By maintaining a long-term investment horizon and staying committed to your investment strategy, you can weather market volatility and achieve sustainable financial success through real estate investment. Conclusion: as we navigate the complexities of the real estate market in 2024, investors have the opportunity to maximize opportunities and build wealth through strategic and informed investment decisions. By embracing technological advancements, focusing on location and demographics, exploring niche markets and property types, implementing sustainable practices, and adopting a long-term investment horizon, investors can navigate the dynamic landscape of real estate investment with confidence and success. Real estate remains a tangible and rewarding asset class that offers the potential for both financial returns and social impact in the years to come. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.